Three reasons bakit beneficial sa mga employees or pag-ibig members ang monthly contributions na 400 ni pag-ibig. Alamin. Yes, friends, may tatlong reason po bakit beneficial po sa mga employees. Please watch the full video. I-explain po natin. Alright, let's get started. Short video lang po ito, concise and direct to the point video. Ito na po. Number one, bigger savings. Opo. Bakit? Kasi po, maglaki po yung employer counterpart from 100 maging 200 po yan. Apart from personal share na 100 maging 200, all in all 400 na po. And ang monthly contributions natin, friends, is considered savings po yan. At age 60, 20 years member tayo, permanent departure from the country and the like, makuha po natin yan. So, meron tayong ipon sa ating monthly contributions. So, ma-appreciate nyo po yan pagdating ng panahon. Alright? Number two, bigger loan availment. So, as a result, kasi malaki na yung savings natin, malaki na yung tab or pondo natin, 80% kasi ng pondo or tab ang loanable amount. So, bigger loan availment po. Automatic yan sa MPL. So, by the way, ang monthly contributions sa 400, effective yan February 2024 and onwards. So, makikita nyo yan, friends, pag mag-loan na tayo sa pag-ibig. So, MPL, 80% of your tab. Number three, bigger dividends. Opo, kasi savings po ito. So, every year or annual, meron tayong tubo sa savings, which is called dividends. So, mas malaki yung savings, mas malaki yung pondo, mas malaki yung hulog, mas malaki din yung dividends earned ni Pag-ibig member. Alright? Good job. 2 thumbs up, Pag-ibig fan. Bigger savings, bigger loan availment, bigger dividends, and of course, tax-free pa yung pondo natin sa Pag-ibig. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.